Welcome back, everybody. This is Johnny here with a little status update on Bitcoin. For the short term, Bitcoin has not been a very good investment over the last 10 days or so. But, you know, we've had a very bearish market since it seems like forever now, but since December, you know, things have just been pulling back quite a bit. Bitcoin is still up from where it was last year. Last year, it was right around 3,000, 3,500. So us being around, 6,200 is still pretty good. But anyway, this is all because of that SEC, Securities Exchange Commission, they denied the Winklevoss EFT, but just delaying their approval or denial for September 30th. And we'll see if there's going to be a run-up since up to that point or so, which I potentially see Bitcoin rallying closer to that date. And then if we hear bad news, well, it's probably going to go down again. If we hear really good news, I'm assuming it's going to, as they say in cryptocurrency, to the moon, right? But anyway, I'm using this chart just to show you a little technical analysis on there might be a little bit of a move coming and when might be an entry point. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. I'm just here to try to educate and help. So please comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to tell you where my kind of entry points are. And I'm not buying right now because I don't know where this is going to go. You can never predict the market. It's just the market is it's emotional with people. That's how it moves up and down. So anyway, we're sitting at the 6,200. We're approaching the oversold as far as on the relative strength index chart. Saying anything under 30 is a general, it's being oversold, which is good, which just meaning that, there could be a potential uptrend coming. But we don't know when it's going to bottom out, right? So especially when we're in a downtrend like this, when you have your 200 over your 20 and 50-day moving average, well, it's a good sign that it's a bearish territory. So it's almost like trying to catch a falling knife. You don't want to keep buying something and it keeps going lower and lower and lower, so we want to wait for a floor and wait for the chart to do something for us to go back up. So my new entry point is wherever this 200-day moving average is going. So we can see it's going to constantly move up and down. So whenever Bitcoin reaches back up to this line right here, well, I'm just going to hold tight there, and then I'm going to feel relatively for a good rally up to this top Bollinger Band. And then so far my strategy is, again, to either sell when it goes below this 200 or to sell when it goes this middle portion of the Bollinger Band. But if we just look back, like I said, there was a huge strong uptrend this time last year. Here's that blue band. But if you were to just use the same thing, pop it right here, yeah, it goes down, pop it again, here it just goes up. There's that middle point of that Bollinger Band, sell, yeah, it'd go a little bit higher, boom, goes below the Bollinger Band, and just trying to keep you safe there. So, yes, short video, 4 minutes. Let me know if you guys found this interesting or helpful at all, and if you want me to make any more.